तो दोस्तों, आज बेसिक्स बिफोर स्टार्टिंग फिजिक्स के दूसरे वीडियो में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कैलकुलस के बारे में। बेसिकली इसके दो पार्ट होते हैं। पहला डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस, दूसरा इंटीग्रल कैलकुलस। डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस के बारे में आप पहले हम जानते हैं कि रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्टेंस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम इज़ कॉल्ड स्पीड। ऐसा हमने पुरानी क्लासों में पढ़ा हुआ है। दैट इज स्पीड इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम। Basically, differential calculus is all about rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity. So, suppose let y be a function of x, that is y equals to f of x, be it a y equals to x square plus 2 or y equals to sin x and so on. Suppose x increases by a small amount delta x, we see then y also increases by a small amount delta y. Then ratio of delta y by delta x is average rate of change of y with respect to this WRT means with respect to x. In short form I write WRT. Here delta x approaches 0, and as delta x is very small, we can assume it approaches 0. You can say it is 0.000001 and so on. The limiting value of delta y by delta x is called derivative or differential coefficient of y with respect to x and is denoted by dy by dx. Hence dy by dx जो होगा उसे हम ऐसे भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं, लिमिट डेल्टा एक्स टेंड्स टू 0 delta y by delta x. So this is what we can write. This limiting value, the limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x is differential coefficient of y with respect to x or dy by dx. Physically, the derivative or dy by dx gives the instantaneous rate of function with respect to variable x. Now let's move on to the further thing. Some important results on differentiation we see. So if we differentiate a constant with respect to a variable, we say x, so that it will come out to be 0. The constant can be 1, 2, 3. If we differentiate them, the result will be 0. And if a constant is multiplied with a variable, say y, and if we differentiate this cy with respect to x, then c will be come out and differentiation of y with respect to x take place. We will also know that it is distributive over the addition, that is dy by dx is du by dx plus minus dv by dx if y equals to u plus minus v is given. Moving on to the further thing, if d by dx of x की power n is given and we want to find its result, so the result will be nx to the power n minus 1, where n is a constant, and a constant you can say 1, 2, 3 and so on, where we cannot say it constant specifically, but assume it to be constant. Product rule: if y equals to uv, product rule, how it works, let's see. If y equals to u into v is given, so we will take it as a first and we will take it as a second, and dy by dx will be second into differentiation of first plus first into differentiation of second. And quotient rule, if y is given as u by v, so numerator we will take it as first, and v we will take it as second. So let's see dy by dx. dy by dx will be second into differentiation of first minus first into differentiation of second. here it minus takes place है ना, प्लस नहीं होता यहाँ पे, अपॉन सेकेंड फंक्शन का स्क्वायर, that here it is given v into du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. Moving on to the further thing, chain rule. तो आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही, और बाकी रिजल्ट और कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। धन्यवाद। अगर आपको यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। और अगर कुछ सुझाव हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में बताइए। आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक में चाहते हैं, प्लीज़ शेयर कीजिए। धन्यवाद।